Hello, I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures
Welcome to Chassahowitzka River Campground
in Homosassa, Florida. As you drive down Miss Maggie Drive, to the left is going to be the entrance into the campsites. But you're going to head on down Miss Maggie Drive and find the office to do the check-in. So here at the camp store, they have John boat rentals, and they have kayak rentals, they have canoe rentals, and SUP rentals. You can get out and enjoy the Chassahowitzka River.
So if you registered at the campground, access to the Chassahowitzka River is free. Locals call it Chassahowitzka River. It is a small fee, however, if you're not registered at the campground. The rivers here in Central Florida are very beautiful, full of springs everywhere. Just upstream from here is the Seven Sisters Springs, which happens to be very popular for kayakers.
After checking in, you'll head back down Miss Maggie Drive and turn into the campground. They do lock the gate at night, so there's no exit or entry after 10 p.m. and before 6 a.m. All right, here at Chassahowitzka River Campground, it's a simple loop to drive through to get to your campsite. But as you come into the campground, it is two-way traffic. But for easier access to your sites, closer access to your sites, sites 1 through 21 can go this way, and sites 22 through 52 can go this direction. All right, as you're driving through the park, you have the clubhouse on the right. We have some drive-through sites on the left as you come in. Makes it pretty handy if you got a big rig. On the right is the bathhouse. Very clean bathrooms. They smell clean when you walk in. made it to the back of the loop, and we're going to spin around here, continue back out.
All sites appear to have pool hookups, including septic.
We've made our way completely around the loop, showed you all of the sites. Last stop before you head out to hit the road is going to be the dump station.